guys, we are saying how many people have a strong body. This is exercise 10. So this exercise is 10 about the use the news API and the request module. Okay, so this is exercise 10 and this is very enjoyable video. So please like this video, share friends, and if you are new my channel, so subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. And now I will please see this video start to end. If you not see this video start to end, so you have problems in your code, and I will be tell you all things step by step. That's why, and this is exercise 10. That's why this is a small video. So now I will be not take a long time. So let's do a coding with laughing. Right, today's video is very small because I'm giving you an exercise 10, and exercise 10 is news app. And what is the problem statement, I will tell you, and see this video start to end. So now, in exercise 10, you use the news API and the request module to, and if you doesn't know what a request module, so in previous class I tell you about request module to fetch the daily news related to different topics. Go to http://newsapi.org and explore the various options to build you an application. And if you click here, so first of all, sorry for that. If you click here, so you come onto this site, News API. Search worldwide news with code. And first of all, you log in here like get API. Then you here's come like first name, and I give like Royan, and here I give like email. You give any email you give. Then I'm not report. I agree. Then password you give like that email. I'm giving like code. Wait, Ryan 1235 @ then gmail.com, and password I'm generating like I generating my password like yeah, sorry, then it is saying like I'm an individual, I'm a business, or I'm working or behave of a business. I'm an individual. Then submit. That you will be, when you submit it, is come like registering complete. Your API is key is, then it is very easily. Then my account is coming like that. Then API key. Then all things are easily as come. And this type of you will be make a account. Then I go to the back to the home. Then I will be refresh from here. Then it is very easily as come. So the news is coming like that. It is a very simple, and explore the various options to build your application. And you see the news here. Here you will see it easily as like easy integration, and that easily as here you can see it. Okay. And now I will get like get API. And then it is coming like subscription plan developer. It is very easily as coming. So here you can see it. Then documentation you click, so you can't do that documentation. What you will be doing exactly? Use the news API and the request module to fetch the daily news related to different topics. Go to newsapi.org and explore the various options to build your application. So now I hope you can understand. In this video I give you exercise 10. In this small video I know, because I am giving you exercise easily, and that's why. So now what you can do, you go to the YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK. And when you click onto the Code with PK, go to the here and subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. Then go to my Python then go to the playlist and my Python playlist. Then bookmark my playlist and share my videos from here and access my playlist. And
get into
please,
software development, data.
Sorry. So please support on my this videos and see my all videos of Python. And please tell me this thumbnail is good of Python, or this red thumbnail is good, or this thumbnail is good. So tell me in comments. So I made you next class of a solution of exercise 10. I will tell you a problem statement of exercise 10. So I meet you next class, and next very amazing class of Python or Python project. So for today, goodbye.